Just wanted to do a quick video. I picked up a 10-inch Meinl. It's a Meinl djembe, and over here, haven't played it yet, but I was playing a little 10-inch Remo djembe. You may have seen that, and then I've got my larger Remo djembe. But I just want to check this out to see what it sounds like. I'm going to be playing it tomorrow at our Jamming with Jesus fellowship gathering. And we're going to try it out, but let me see what it sounds like right now. So yeah, like I said, it's a Meinl djembe, synthetic head, and it's tuned with these little lugs, so you can tune it on the fly. You can change tones for it if you need to. So let's see what it sounds like. Pretty good bass in the center. I don't know how well the camera will pick up the frequency range, but to the human ear, it sounds good on the bass. And the tone, and then the slap. If you didn't know, three basic sounds of the djembe are the bass, the tone, and the slap. Pretty good. Little Meinl djembe. We'll check it out. Play it tomorrow.